Jimdo App Tutorial: How to use Jimdo mobile app. First of all, install the Jimdo app from the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Once installed, tap on the icon to open it. When the app opens, you will be asked to sign in with your Jimdo account or create a new account. Since I am a new user, I will tap on Create New Account. Checkmark the terms and privacy policies and tap on the Next button. Next, you will be given some options to sign up. I am choosing the Google account option, but you can proceed using any option you prefer. Once you have signed up, you will be asked to select a template for your website. Explore the available themes and select one to begin building your website. After that, you need to add your domain name. I will use a demo name for now, but you can type any name you want. Check whether the domain is available or not. Once you find an available domain, tap on Create Your Free Website, and your website will be created using the selected template and domain name. Now we will customize the website. The selected template is simple and user-friendly for beginners. To customize it, first tap on the gear icon to open the Settings tab. Here you will find your website credentials and domain name. In the Design section, you will find your template, background settings, and support options that you can use if needed. From the homepage in the top right corner, tap on the icon to open a sidebar. In this sidebar, you will see all elements added to the page. While customizing your website, you can add your website title and logo. Tap on the title area and a text bar will appear. Type your website title and save it. The title will now be visible at the top of the page. Now again, open the sidebar, and this time let's add a logo. You can take a picture or choose one from your existing images. It will open your phone's media library, so select your logo. I will use a demo image for now, but you can add your own logo. From the top right corner, tap on Save to apply it, and as you can see, the logo has been added successfully. Next, to add more elements, go to the Page section and tap on Elements at the bottom. Choose an element that you want to add. For example, if you want to add a button, type your button title, such as Click Here. Then enter a URL and tap on Save from the top right corner. Once saved, the button will appear on your page. At the bottom, I will add social media icons. For that, open the Elements menu and tap on Share buttons. You will see different social media options, so select the ones you want to add and adjust their sizes, styles, alignments, or shapes. Once completed, tap on Save from the top right corner. The icons will be added automatically. You can preview your website by tapping on the monitor icon for desktop preview or the mobile icon for mobile view. From the top left, tap on the 3 horizontal lines and a sidebar will appear where you can navigate all your pages. To add a new page, tap on Add Page, enter the page name in the provided field, and tap on Save from the top right corner. The new page will open, and now let's add a heading. You can also open the Elements menu from the bottom by tapping on the plus icon. Now here, find and select the heading element. Next, you need to type your heading in the field. I will use a demo heading for this demonstration and save it. Next, we will add another element to enter our content. So open the Elements menu again and select Text. Now type your blog or page content in detail and use the bar above the keypad to format text styling. Once done, tap on Save. These are the important functions of Jimdo mobile apps, and you can explore others by yourself as well. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.